Hello everyone. Again we will continue with the screen programming or screen painter. So I will go with layout. This is the layout. Now what I will do, whenever user clicks on the display header detail button, I will display the header detail. Suppose from the table, in the previous lecture we have discussed Proj is the table from where we will display the header details. Suppose I am want to display toy description. Suppose I want to display object number, ER name, ER date. Suppose these four details I will display. So what I will do, I will go with this button. This button is a dictionary program fields. So here I will pass the name of the table. My name of the table is Proj. Now I will click on this button, get from dictionary. Now after clicking on this, all fields of the table are displayed here. Now what I will do, I will select those four fields: post1, objnr, ER name or ER date. Now I will click on this OK button. Now I will drag and drop these four fields here. See, now these four fields are appearing here. Now what I will do, whenever I click on this project display header details button, I will display the values of these four fields. Now I will check for the syntax. Now I will activate this. Activate. Now I am closing this screen painter. Now at that time we have discussed that element list we will cover whenever we will discuss screen designing or screen programming. Now see, in the screen what we have designed, we have one text field, we have one input field, we have one go button, we have in text for project description, we have input field for project description, we have object number text field, we have object number input output field, we have name of the user, we have the date also. So in this element list it is showing you all the elements which is available onto the screen. Now we will go with screen number 100. We will go with flow logic. Now whenever user clicks on that go button or on that header details button, at that time we have event process after input event is called. So what I will do, I will write the logic here. Now we have discussed whenever you are giving function code to that button, the sciucom has that value. So we have given that we have given the function code for that button is display. So we will check if sciucom is equal to display. If sciucom is equal to display, then I will fetch the four details from the table and I will store into the variables. So how I will write the logic? Now I will write select single. Why I am writing select single? If you go with project table, Proj table, if you are passing some object number, suppose I am passing this project number. So for every project number we have always single row. So I am writing select single because I want to only select the single row. So I want to select which four field. First one is my post1, second one is my objnr, third one is my ER name, then we have ER date. Now we will store it into four variables of the screen. Now my first variable of the screen is Proj. First one is my post1. Second one is my Proj OBJNR. Third one is my Proj ERNum. Last one is my Proj ERDAT. Now we are fetching from which table? From which table we are fetching? Proj table. Where we have PSPNR, it is coming from which input field? Our name of the input field is Proj PSPNR. Our input field for the project number is Proj PSPNR. Now we will also write this logic in SciUcom. Now what is the value of SciUcom for this 100 screen? So if I will check for GUI status, application navigation is the value. So I will write the logic here. If SciUcom is equal to navigation, and if now if I am checking for the syntax, if I am checking for the syntax, it is syntactically correct. Now I am activating this. I am activating this whole module pool. Now in the tables tab you also have to mention this Proj. Now I will check for the syntax. I am activating this. Now I will run this. I will put the breakpoint. Now I will run this. Execute. Now I will pass the project number here. Suppose my project number is this one. You always have to pass this project number. This is internal number of the project. You have to pass this project number. Now if I am passing this, if I click on this display header details button, my PI event is called. If I am going for desktop 3, SciUcom has the value display, which we have given in the function code. Now if I am checking, now this whole 4 variables has the value. This part will not execute because SciUcom is not navigation. Now if I am executing this, now these 4 details are now appearing here. So this is the simplest example in which how to make a screen designing with the help of Screen Painter and how you can display the values. Rest part we will continue in next lecture.